All right, so today I'm going to go over a little how-to on something with the car. So I had this car painted back in 1999, so it's a 26-year-old paint job, and yeah, it looks great for how old the paint job is, and obviously I keep it washed and waxed and garage kept ever since I've had it. But one thing I noticed recently was right after I washed it and waxed it, I felt the surface of it, and it kind of felt like a very fine sandpaper. I couldn't understand what was going on, and so I washed and waxed it again. I thought maybe I didn't wash it good enough or something like that, and it was still there. And I did some research, and apparently over time, um, small little particulates can embed itself into paint. And no matter how much you wash and wax the vehicle, this happens over time. And I've heard a lot of people talk about clay barring their car before. And I didn't really fully understand the process. So I did some research and I got myself a clay bar. And so this video, I'm going to do what someone else did for me, and I'm going to make a video on how to clay bar because I watched one and it was really helpful. So I figured I could be helpful too. So I'll show you the process and the differences that you see as a result of it. So let me get my camera set up and we'll do this. Okay, so here we go. So the Meguiar's kit comes with spray wax and a clay bar. So first thing you want to do is you want to knead this up. Just get it nice and flat. Just so that it fits into your hand like that. Okay? Now I want you to take a look how it's pretty white right there. Okay? So what we're going to do is we're going to do a small area, and I'll show you what I'm going to do. I take the wax, and I'm flying blind here, so hopefully you can see me. I spray my clay, then I spray the area I want to work. Again, look how clean that is. Then, with light pressure and gentle motion, you go back and forth. You want the wax to lubricate the clay bar that you're using. Okay? And you can kind of feel the grit coming up. And you start to feel it smooth out. Spray a little bit more just to lubricate a little bit more. Look at all that came up. Couldn't see it on the paint, but those are those particulates that are in the paint that was making it feel rough. And then what you're going to do is you still got that spray wax on the surface. Take a microfiber cloth and you wipe it. For added measure, what I do, I then take some traditional wax, and I just have this stuff, but you know, whatever your preferred traditional wax is. I won this at a door prize at a car show, and it's my first time ever using it. And what's nice is you can use it on hot or cold surfaces. So when waxing in the sun, this is great. Pretty thick stuff. Just gotta shake it up a little bit. Apply it to my separate rag. Get that on. Now, obviously, you're not going to be able to tell the difference, but just showing you my process. that dry a little bit. Then another microfiber cloth, and just like traditional wax, you just wipe it up. So I'm telling you, feel your classic car. If you feel that kind of like sandpaper, that fine sandpaper feel, definitely clay bar it. Okay, you can find these clay bars at AutoZone. You can find it on Amazon. It's definitely made a believer out of me. I highly recommend it. All right, thanks for watching.